Hello everyone, welcome back to maths class. My dear students, in previous class we have started a third chapter of mathematics, that is numbers. In that chapter we have learnt about counting by hundreds, place value and face value. In today's class we will learn how to write the expanded form and standard form of 3-digit numbers. What we are going to learn? Yes, today we are going to learn how to write the expanded form and how to write the standard form of 3-digit numbers. Now let's discuss about expanded form. My dear students, what is meant by expanded form? Yes, the form in which a number is written as the sum of the place value of its digits of called expanded form. I will repeat once again. Listen to me carefully. The form in which a number is written as the sum of the place value of its digits of called expanded form. Okay, let's see one example. Can you read this number? What number is it? Yes, this is a number of 346. Now we will keep the value on their places. See children, this number has 6 ones, 4 tens and 300. Okay, now we will keep the value on their places. See children, this is a place value chart. Using this chart we will keep the value on their places. Okay, dear students, in this number how many ones are here? Yes, 6. Okay, now I am writing here 6 on ones place. Okay, and then how many tens are here? Yes, 4. So I am writing here 4 on tens place. Okay, then how many hundreds are here? 3. So I am writing here 3 on 100 place. Now what we have to do for writing expanded form? Yes, we have to do the sum of the place value of its digits. Means we have connect all digits. We have to connect all digits with the use of addition sign between each digits. Understood? We have to connect all the digits with the use of addition sign or some sign between each digits. Okay, let's do. Now we will write expanded form of this number. Okay, dear students, 6. First, 6 is in ones place. Okay, 6 is in ones place. The value of 6 is 6 ones. That means 6. Okay, and plus this is the addition sign. We have to connect the all digits with use of addition sign between each digit. So I put here plus. This is a addition sign. Okay, then what is the value of 4? Yes, 4 is in tens place. So the value of 4 is 4 tens. That means 40. And plus. Okay, and the value of 3, what is the value of 3? 3 is in 100 place. So the value of 3 is 300. Okay, this is a expanded form of 346 number. Like that we write the expanded form. Understood? Then how to write the name of this number? Dear students, while writing the number name, first we mention the number and then we mention the name of their place. See children, while writing the number name, first we mention the number and then we mention the name of their place. So first I will write here 3. 3. What is the 3 spelling? 3, T-H-R-E-E. 3. I will mention here 3. Then we mention the name of their place. 3 is in 100 place. So I will write here 100. 3 hundreds. What is the spelling of 100? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 300. Then 46. 346. F-O-R-T-Y. 346. Understood? 346. Like that we write the number name. Okay. Dear students, let's see one more example. Here we have 653 number. Okay. This number has 3 ones, 5 tens, 6 hundreds. Okay. Now I will keep the number on their places. I will keep the value on their places. Okay. 3 is in 1's place. So I will write here 3 on 1's place. And 5 is in 10's place. So I am writing here 5 on 10's place. 6 is in 100 place. So I am writing here 6 on 100 place. Okay. Now I put the number, I put all number on their places. Okay. Now we will write the expanded form of this number. Dear students, 3 is in 1's place. So the value of 3 is 3 ones. That means 3. I will put here addition sign. That means plus. Okay. Then 5 is in 10's place. So the value of 5 is 50. And 6 is in 100 place. So the value of 6 is 600. So I will write here 600. Okay. This is a expanded form of this number. Like we have to write the expanded form of 3-digit numbers. Understood children? Like that we have to write the expanded form of 3-digit numbers. Understood? We just connect all the digits with the use of addition sign between all digits. Understood? Okay, then how to write the number name of this number? Yes, 653. Okay, 6. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X. 600. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 650. F-I-E-F-T. 653. Understood children? This is the number name of 653. Okay. Dear students, now we will discuss how to write the standard form of 3-digit numbers. Dear students, here they have given number in expanded form. Now we have to write the standard form of these numbers. Okay. For that, again we have to use the place value chart. What we have to do? Yes, we have to use the place value chart. Okay dear students, this is 100 place, 10's place and 1's place. Here how many tens are here? Sorry, how many hundreds are here? 900. So I will write here 9 on 100 place. Then here how many tens are here? 40 means 4 tens. So I will write here 4 on 10's place. Here how many ones? 6. So I will write here 6 on ones place. Okay, dear students, what is the expanded form of this number? 946. 946. This is a standard form of this number. Understood? And let's see the second example. 423. Now I will write this number in standard form. Okay. How many hundreds are here? 400. So I will write here 4 on 100 place. And how many tens are here? 20 means 2 tens. I will write here 2 on tens place. And here 3 ones are there. I will write here 3 on ones place. What is the standard form of this number? Yes, 423. 423. This is the standard form of this number. Understood? And let's see third example. 387. How many hundreds are here? 300. So I will write here 3 on 100 place. And how many tens are here? 80 means 8 tens. I will write here 8 on tens place. And here 7 ones are there. So I will write here 7 on ones place. The standard form of this number is 387. Like this, we have to write the standard form of the standard form of 3-digit numbers. Understood, children? These are a expanded form. These are a standard form. Understood? Like this, we have to write the standard form of 3-digit numbers. Understood, children? Then, how to write the number names of these numbers? First, see example, 946. 9, N-I-N-E, 900, 46. And second one, 423. F-O-U-R, 423. 23. And third one, 387. T-H-R-E-E, 300, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 387. E-I-G-H-T, 87. Like, we have to write the number names. Okay, dear students? Okay, dear students, today what we have learnt? Yes, we have learnt about standard form and expanded form. We learnt how to write the expanded form of 3-digit number and how to write the standard form of 3-digit numbers. I hope you all understood the concept. Okay, dear students, see you next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.